Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 54 Inn. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Minneola, Kansas, this hotel offers free Wi-Fi in every room. There is a 24-hour reception desk. A microwave and refrigerator are included in each guest room at the Super 54 Inn. Cable TV and ironing facilities are provided. Barbecue facilities are available to guests. Laundry facilities is located on site. Wi-Fi is available with a surcharge. Clark State Fishing Lake and Wildlife Area is 18 minutes drive from the Minneola Super 54. The Oklahoma border is 32 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.